Hello, everybody. This is 369 from the DTT community. This morning, I just want to make a video on the post I made yesterday in the quant chat regarding the weekly profile and premium discounts. I know I posted some pictures, but I just want to do it live so you can actually see how I'm plotting plotting my levels. First of all, I'm on the weekly chart, or actually, I drew my fibs from Monday, 9:30 a.m. Um, to the following Monday, 9:30 a.m. And I'm also on the electronic trading hours. I know the book says to go on regular trading hours, but uh, I figured because electronic trading hours gives me more candles to work with, I, I just I'm just trying to use this for now. But anyway, so my fib levels again, starting at 9:30 a.m. on Monday, uh, would be the yellow lines are 0.1125, and second one is 0.36, and third one would be 0.5625, uh, like you see right here. And then obviously it ends on Monday, the following Monday at 9:30 a.m. All right. Those are the fib levels that I have. So I just draw it out from here all the way till here. And currently we're looking at the first week of September. Um, Also, you can notice these candles are really small because the contract has not rolled over yet into MNQZ. I'm also using MNQ, by the way. Rep. Okay. Um, After I draw out my fib levels, I mark my levels. I name them out: Iscariot, Aries, Ash Wednesday, and Icarus. Um, After getting these levels, I mean, you could draw the root candles, but I didn't, just because I'm looking at the bigger picture here. From here on, I would just go on a can box and try to plot out these premium discount levels, and that would be the premium, and this would be the lowest point right here for Iscariot. Mark them out, and do the same for Aries. Mark it out. Uh, there we go. One more. By the way, guys, this is my first video ever making on YouTube, so please bear with me if I'm doing anything incorrectly, if my voice is or my volume is not proper. Uh, just give me some quick tips on that. All right, thank you for being patient with me. All right. The reason why I'm drawing these premium levels and discount levels the upside down is because again we see that the price has been going lower after this carryout. It just broke down the lower side, so I'm looking for a bearish trend for this week. Again, this may not be 100% of the time, but this is only my preliminary testing. So looking at this, this is my premium, this is my discount level right here. From here, I have drawn out my fibs. Sorry, right here. Yeah, go down 0 to 1%, just like that. And my take profit levels are actually minus 27% and minus 62%. Again, minus 22% would be the low hanging fruit. That's where I would actually take my first profit. Then maybe run the runners down to 62% or minus 62%, like you've seen. Again, let me show you my fib levels here so you guys can get a hang of that. So I have minus 62% as my take profit 2, and this is my take profit 1 minus 0.27. And of course, 0.618 would be my entry, 0.5 is the equilibrium, 0.8. Sometimes I use this level for stop loss. You don't have to, but that's just how I do it. All right, that's it. Thank you. Close that out. All right, now we marked at this level, and we notice that right away Sorry, it's supposed to be on this carryout, right? Okay. Although we enter somewhere around the premium, all right, looking at the PD arrays, your PPR, whatever it might be, uh, you know, you enter there, and then I'm watching for price to come into my 27%, which is right here. Let me just mark that as TP1, or and also TP2. P2. All right, sorry. This entry is actually going to be in the Aries time zone, right? Because we don't know where the where Aries is actually going to start. Like here, if you see that this might be a FVG or some sort of a 1 hour PD array or something like that, and then you enter right here, or maybe an SMT. You enter off here and then take profit and let it run. Take profit at TP1. I would take majority of my partials out here and then let it run for the rest of the runners to TP2. All right, and then we're done for Aries model. Okay, and then we wait till Aries model is done. We pull out our fibs again. Okay, draw it down again from Iscariot, right? Bottom of Iscariot to low of Aries. Sorry, high of Iscariot to low of Aries. Excuse me. All right. So I drew that out, but now I'm looking for price to retrace back into my premium level here in Ash Wednesday, but it does not do that. There might be a couple of reasons. Again, price is very bearish here. That could have been one of the reasons. Very strong push. Second reason could be is there might be a higher time frame SMT here, which didn't allow price to go into the premium. Therefore, we're just seeing this sort of retracement. Uh, and if you actually mark it out, I do follow another level here, 0.382, 0.382. I think, let's see. All right. The price did come very close to 0.382, but I wouldn't enter off of that either. But, this is something to watch. This is for everyone's discretion. Just if you don't think if you don't think it's good for you to join or enter if in the premium, if you don't enter in the premium and it's not a valid trade for you, then let it go. But, there's something to keep an eye out for. But the point I'm trying to make is that this Ash Wednesday price has been consolidating, really. But in Icarus, we do see that the price actually moved towards 38.2%. And then you could have taken entry with the SMT or whatever it might be. And you're really targeting the 22% or the 62% because this is still the high of Aries. And since there's not much difference between Aries low and the Ash Wednesday's low, the fib level is actually going to be the similar. I'm going to draw those out again. There we go. You see how they're actually matching with each other. But anyway, if you do get an entry right here or an Icarus and you're targeting 22%, and that would be a great profit target area. That's about, let's see how many points that would be. Um, that would be around 516 points, guys. I would take that any day, actually. Um, but yeah, now that you have, if you do want to minimize your trading per week, right? You want to take one trade here, maybe two trades, and maybe three trades, and then you're done for the week. And that's what I'm struggling with, and I want to take as many less trades as possible. That's why I'm trying to look more at 5 minute charts. For to minimize my over trading problem that I have. But again, I used to trade on 15 seconds and 1 minute. This is giving me like an opportunity to turn myself and change my trading strategy a bit. I know I'm just trying to be as frank as possible here. But I really don't care. It's just my trading journey. It's something that I'm proud about because I'm working on it every day. Anyway, all right, since we did reach the 27% and did not reach 62% on any of these levels, Aries didn't reach that, Ash Wednesday didn't reach it, or even by the end of the week, Icarus didn't reach that. It was just like price failed to reach this TP. So this, in my opinion, was a sign of a market reversal for a following week. Also, keep in mind that this is the first week of September, so beginning of the month, you never know what the rest of the month was going to do. So that's why you know, um, I said since price is breaking down the lows of the previous sessions, we are looking for lower prices, especially when price broke out of the discount level of Iscariot. I expected price to move bearish for the whole week. Now let's look at the next week, week number two. Again, we're drawing out the fib levels from the opening of Monday 9:30 to the following Monday 9:30. All right. And then now I have a new layout. All right, we're just waiting, we're just watching the price move from Iscariot to Aries. All right, I guess I'm sitting on my hands right now. If you do want to trade this period, then you probably will be looking at like a smaller time frame, or uh, maybe price going into the premium of the Icarus uh, session here. But that's up to you. But I'm strictly talking about only this week right now. Okay. Um, Now I did drop my fib levels again, the same routine. Now I'm just going to draw my premium discount. Now let's say this is just our zone right now, right? We don't know if price is gonna move or break out into the premium or go into the discount. So we're just watching right now until we finish this carry out. And then Aries starts up, and then Aries does this move where it breaks over into the premium zone, out of the premium zone, and keeps continuing pushing forward. All right. So now we're going to just draw out Aries as well. Okay. All right. So now I'm looking at targets for Aries and also maybe Ash Wednesday. Okay. Um, Pulling out my fib again, going from the bottom of Iscariot to top of, or let's say high of Iscariot again. This is trade number one for TP4 Icarus, okay? TP for, sorry, TP for Aries, I'm sorry. TP for Aries, TP1 for Aries, and TP2 for Aries, all right? Um, let's say you enter right here on a fib, like from here to here, and then you entered off of like 70% or so, and then you just want to continue the trade, maybe hits TP1 here. Otherwise, you're just waiting for Aries to continue to come on in, and then give you the take profits that you plotted down. All right, now we're going from after plotting the TPs for Iscariot. Now we're gonna go on to um, Aries like that, okay? And then again, we're just plotting the bottom range, but the bottom low of Iscariot, low of Iscariot and high of Aries, all right? That's going to give us a minus 27% for Ash Wednesday, okay? TP1 for Ash Wednesday and TP2 for Ash Wednesday. Again, you may not be able to, and you may not be entering here or here, but you're entering on Wednesday morning because you didn't know the high of Aries until it was actually high of Aries, right? Until the Aries was actually done. So your trade probably will be right here after the liquidity sweep, maybe an SMT again, on your time frame, maybe 5 minute time frame or 1 hour time frame, whatever it might be. Here you might see a BPR or an inverted fair value gap entering on the fair value gap. You probably will be targeting the 62% or the 27%, which probably is more than 100 ticks. Let me check that. Let's say you enter right here. You do get about 363 ticks for 27% and 500 ticks for like 62%. So yeah, it's a very powerful, in my opinion. Let's just continue going here. All right, since now we got the TP4 Ash Wednesday, now we're gonna target the Icarus. All right, go back again to Iscariot's root, sorry, the low of Iscariot again, and then high of Ash Wednesday, right here. Then we plot out, TP1, for Icarus and TP2 for Icarus as well. Okay, and then again, you may not get like a good entry here. Oh, I forgot to draw my premium discount levels here. Sorry. All right, let's do the same for Icarus. All right. So we see here that TP1 was hit of Icarus, but not the TP2 for 62%. Again, I'm a little suspicious if price didn't hit the 62% because again in the previous week we said the same thing. If it didn't reach, we probably are looking for a reversal here, and then that's what happened with the breakout to upside for Iscariot into Aries, looking right here. So we're going to continue doing the same thing, monitoring the price action in Iscariot and versus Aries and how it's going to perform in the next week. And also marking out this level out, I marked it out to see if this level was ever going to be reached in the following week. Now that was the second week, all right? Now we're going to the third week of September, okay? Here, actually, which was just a previous week that we just finished, right? Here again, I'm going to draw out my GAN box with using the sorry, the premium and the discount. Just draw that out. And then here we clearly see the price is actually broken to the upside. We're thinking about, we're looking for a bullish move whole week. Here we are going to draw out our fib levels soon. Let me just finish up with this. Again, in this week, I've drawn out my own root candles, like you see right here. No, sorry, this is a typo. This should have been Icarus. Oh yeah, one more interesting thing to talk about this week was how the Iscariot root candle actually served as a support level for Aries Ash Wednesday and also helped this displacement up here to, we'll talk about the minus 62% soon. So I thought that was really cool because Iscariot was acting as a strong support right there. I really thank Ivan and Anar for DTT community giving us all these insights, giving us all these levels and zones. I appreciate them so much. I respect both of them for their hard work. I also the DTT community itself. Everybody's trying to put in work. I love to see that because there's not many people or not many communities out there where which teach you a lot of things in a new ways. Um, anyway, thank you so much, guys. Here, after drawing the GAN box out, the premium discount levels. Now we're going to draw our fib levels again to plot out TPs for first. First one is for Aries. Oh, sorry. Let me draw my GAN box properly here. There you go. There you go. Low of Iscariot, high of Iscariot gives you TP for Aries. Okay, there you go. Again, you would probably enter somewhere in this area, and because this is the lowest, now or 38.2% I have marked out. If that was your entry, and you take profit at 62%, that's great. We're gonna move on to the next model here. Low of Iscariot to high of Aries. Again, you do see that the price of minus 22% was reached towards the end of Ash Wednesday. I'm gonna write that down too. Type TP1. TP2 was reached and was targeted in the Icarus model. You see that? And then now we're targeting the low of this Iscariot to high of Ash Wednesday. Okay, to target the prices for Icarus. Uh, Here, okay. Price did come very close to the minus 62% on Icarus, and also TP1 was obviously met. Um, Here we go. Then this is TP2. All right. Oh yeah, the other thing to note here is that the previous 62% of previous week, right? We were hoping that it reached, but it didn't because it only reached 27% here. And then we draw this line out here to see what was going to happen because if the price did continue bullish, if it was ever going to hit the 62%, and it did, and it does hit here in this week. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind of. Again, now that we did not hit the 62% here, I don't, or if, you know, I'm not sure if we are going to or not, but looking at the higher time frame, we are definitely bullish. So my thoughts are, if we do open up in this carry out somewhere here on Monday morning, um, and finish up in Aries, and then we continue to see higher prices, that will be something great to keep in mind. Again, I'd like to enter off of 38%, 38.2% sometimes. I definitely prefer 61.8% to enter. But yeah, if you have any questions, shoot me a comment, guys. I'll be active in DTT community. I again especially thank Ivan and Anar for the DTT community and all the knowledge that they have provided. Appreciate it. Thank you.